Congratulations player, you got all your 7 objects. Now it's time for you to
Get out of this house before something happens!
collect your 2 objects and I will unlock the doors for you.
1, 2, 3, can you hear me? Good, now let's play a math game. And welcome to this well-made pad. Answer these questions. Problem 1, what is? Problem 2, what is? Problem 3, what is?
Oh no, sorry about that. I don't have my yarny because I wasted all of them for well-made stuff. Oh hi player, welcome to my well-made house.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals. Do you see that a new player is with me? Get out of here and never come back. Sorry about that, okay? Minus, times, absolute boy. How can you be better at math than me? Are you also a well-made robot? Spectacular. Very good boy.
Laugh sound effect. Airplane failed to jump. Ready, go. Billy, help me. I'm looking for Billy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that was great. Let's play. Next 20 seconds.
No entering our rooms in this place. No running in the house. Stay there. Come here, Billy. Give me your parents' number. Here you go, boy. Stop breaking rules. No stealing people's items in the halls. No trashing in this well-made house. I saw you leaving my room in this house.
Looks like the house is messy.